Welcome to Quiz Time. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of science in everyday life. Let's test your knowledge with 30 fun quiz questions about common scientific phenomena. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome quizzes. Let's get started. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere for photosynthesis? Think about what keeps those green leaves healthy and vibrant. The answer is carbon dioxide. Plants use carbon dioxide to make their food. Cool, right? What household item uses electromagnetic radiation to cook food? Here's a hint. It's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. The answer is microwave. It heats food by exciting water molecules with electromagnetic waves. Why does a metal spoon feel colder than a wooden spoon at room temperature? Why does metal always seem so chilly? The answer is metal conducts heat faster. Metal draws heat away from your hand quickly, making it feel colder. What substance is commonly added to water in swimming pools to kill bacteria? Think about the last time you took a deep. The answer is chlorine. Chlorine keeps pools clean by killing harmful germs. Why do ice cubes float in water? Have you noticed that ice always stays at the top of your drink? The answer is ice is less dense than water. That's why it floats, despite being frozen solid. What vitamin do humans produce when exposed to sunlight? This one's essential for healthy bones. The answer is vitamin D. Our skin produces it when we soak up some sunshine. Why do we sweat when it's hot? The answer is to cool the body down. Sweat evaporates from your skin, taking heat with it. What gas do we exhale as a waste product of respiration? Here's a clue. It's what plants love. The answer is carbon dioxide. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide after it's used in our cells. What natural phenomenon causes the formation of rainbows? Have you ever seen one after a rainy day? The answer is refraction of light. Light bends and splits through raindrops to create those beautiful colors. What scientific principle causes a ball to bounce back when dropped? It's all about the shape shifting. The answer is elasticity. The ball returns to its original shape, causing the bounce. Why do objects fall to the ground when dropped? This one's a force we feel every day. The answer is gravity. It pulls everything toward Earth's center. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? It's all around you, but you probably don't think about it. The answer is nitrogen. It makes up about 78% of the air we breathe. Why do we see lightning before we hear thunder? Here's a clue. It's all about speed. The answer is light travels faster than sound. That's why lightning arrives before the thunder rolls. What common liquid is known as the universal solvent? You use it every day. The answer is water. Water can dissolve more substances than any other liquid. What type of energy is stored in a battery? Think of what powers your devices. The answer is chemical energy. It's converted into electrical energy when you use your gadgets. Why do bread and cakes rise when baked? Something's bubbling up in there. Due to yeast fermentation or baking powder. These ingredients release carbon dioxide, making dough rise.
What causes metal to rust when exposed to air and moisture? It's an enemy to all metal.
The answer is oxidation. Metal reacts with oxygen and water, creating rust. Why do you feel cooler when standing in front of a fan? It's not just the breeze. The answer is increased evaporation of sweat. The fan helps sweat evaporate faster, cooling you down. What process turns liquid water into water vapor? It happens when the heat is on. The answer is evaporation. Water heats up and turns into vapor, rising into the air. What force keeps the planets in orbit around the sun? It's the same one keeping your feet on the ground. The answer is gravity. The sun's gravity keeps all the planets in their orbits. Why does oil float on water? Ever noticed how oil always sits on top? The answer is oil is less dense than water. That's why it stays at the surface. What device measures atmospheric pressure? It's a tool often used in weather forecasts. The answer is barometer. It helps meteorologists predict changes in the weather. What everyday kitchen process involves the conversion of water to steam? It happens when things get really hot. The answer is boiling. Water turns to steam when it reaches 100 degrees Celsius. Why do some objects appear white in color? The answer is they reflect all wavelengths of light. Light bulb, that's why white objects appear bright and white. What is the main reason ice melts when salt is sprinkled on it? Here's a classic winter trick. The answer is salt lowers the freezing point. It makes ice melt faster by lowering its melting point. Why do we sometimes feel a static shock when touching metal? It's electrifying. The answer is a buildup of static electricity. Static discharges when you touch metal, causing that mini shock. Why does bread mold grow faster in warm conditions? Things grows fast in the heat. The answer is heat speeds up fungal growth. Warm, moist environments help mold thrive. What type of lens is used in eyeglasses for nearsightedness? These lenses help you see clearly. The answer is concave lens. It spreads light, helping nearsighted people see distant objects. What common gas is used to fill balloons and makes them float in the air? It's lighter than air. The answer is helium. Helium is less dense than air, which makes the balloons rise and float. Why do soda cans fizz when opened? Time to pop that can. The answer is release of carbon dioxide gas. The gas escapes when you open the can, causing all those bubbles. Great job, everyone. How many questions did you get right? We hope you learned something new about the science that shapes your everyday life. If you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, comment your score, and subscribe to Quiz Time for more fun and educational quizzes. See you next time.